Hello, bhuti, kuhamba kahle?
Ngiyaphila siyonke.
Sharp, you know the story.
Igama lami nguNqubeko Bayanda Xaba. Angisuka endaweni yaNongoma ngisukude. So ngila eNdonsa to study music. And there's a lot that I've learned here from Qamba Manga. Nje kufika kwami la ngihlangane nabantu abafana nobhuti uMelo Sibuthelezi. Abantu abakusiza kakhulu with the basics of music. Kufike la nga-achieve ukuthi kufika kwami nje la bengizazi ukuthi nje mina ngi-artist and I want to record nje I want to do my own thing ngendlela yami, of which it was right, but ngokufunda music and going deep ngokufundiswa uMr Buthelezi ngibone izinto eziningi ebengizileka as an artist. So kwamele ngiqale phansi ngiqale ngisifunde kuqala and then ngizibuilde and then ngibe i-artist le ngifisa ukuba yilona. So izinto engizi-achievile as an artist, ngasho ukuthi ngi-achieve a-major scale, which is one of the roots of music. La music oqala khona nga-understand nje ukuthi there is tone, semitone, tone, semitone, tone. Ngaphinda futhi nga-understand ukuthi there is a score. There's something called a score, and the score is reader, and you don't just read it nje udlulisa nje njengoba sisuke sifunda amagama, but you have to like state yonke into ngawan until uzo understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nga-understand ukuthi kwi-score there is a time signature, futhi i-score sibhaliwe umuntu osuke esenzile because the score is created by someone else, and then isibhaliwe futhi ukuthi i-key thola kanjani. Everything is written on the score. There's a lot that I can say. Ngaphinda futhi ngathola ukuthi I have a passion yokuthi ngidlale keyboard since Mr Buthelezi taught me ukuthi I can play keyboard, because mina bengisidoubt kakhulu ezintweni ezifana nalezi because bengibona ngathi zinzima. Ubona umuntu edlala esheshisa lokho mina ngikubona as a difficulty, but abantu abafana noMr Buthelezi abakusimplifyela izinto bezibeke bekubonise la eduze bakwazile ukungibonisa ukuthi okay kahle I can also do it. It's just a matter of making my mind straight and ngihlezi ngi-right, ngihlezi ngi-sober ngesinye isikhathi. So ngachievile nami ukwazi ukudlala i-keyboard. Angeke ngize ngisho ukuthi ngi-perfect ukudlala i-keyboard, but ngiyakwazi ukudlala ingoma, ngakudlalela nje autumn leaves, ngakwazi ukugradela i-score, ngakwazi ukwenza izinto eziningi concerning to music njengamanje. Ngifundile futhi music business ukuthi how to market as an artist, uzimarket to like give yourself the best products ebantwini. But okwamanje akuzona izinto mina engizijahile njenge-artist, but izinto engizijahile ukuthi ngifuna ukufunda i-mixing and mastering, ngiphinde futhi ngikwazi ukudlala i-keyboard. Lokho kuzokwazi ukungisiza ekuthenini ngibe ne-strong basic ku-music wami. And futhi into engifuna ukuyenza kakhulu ukuthi since le information enginayo njengamanje ngiyithole mahhala, nami ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi abanye abantu ngibasize, ngikwazi ukuthi ngibuyisele back to the community, and ngifuna ukusiza kakhulu abantu endaweni la ngisuka khona. Ngifuna ukuthiwa charity begins at home. So I want to help abantu la ngisuka khona ukuze bekwazi mhlawumbe befike kule stage engikusona or bendlule, ukuze ngifisa ukuthi abantu benze kahle empilweni. So bengifisa ukubasiza nami ngo-music, ngibanikeza izinto ezi-right, stuff esi-right esisithola khona la eNdonsa esisinikeza abantu abafana noMr Buthelezi. Stuff esi-right angifuna iNdonsa is the best place to be. And nami ngangizitshela ukuthi nje mhlawumbe ayikho into esizoyifunda, but there's a lot angifuna and uthola nesikhathi esiningi sokuthi usifunde wena as an artist, as a person, ukuthi kahle uyini. So nami ngigcine ngisithola ukuthi ngi-artist, but at the same time ngu-produce. Because I can make my own beats, like I can create music from the start. So of which one of the best things engizidiscoverile kumina isikhombisa yena Mr Buthelezi ukuthi I'm willing to do anything. So ngasho ukuthi engifuna ukusizakala khona ukuthi I need more information. Ngisamncane, there's a lot of things I can absorb. Ingqondo yami isa-fresh, azikho izinto engathi zingiphazamisa, anginabo abantwana, azikho izinto ezingihluphayo empilweni. So into engiyidingayo mina i-information. I need more information. Le information izongisiza ekuthenini ngikhule, phinde ngikwazi futhi ukusiza abanye abantu, phinde ngikwazi futhi ukuthi ngincede abanye abantu bekwazi ukwenza imali, because at the end of the day it's about money. We all need money. ngilanga nje ngifuna imali, but at first I need to achieve this information. So ngidinga la indonse information nje ukuze ngikwazi ukuthi ingikhulise ngibeke futhi kule level le ngifisa ukuba kuyona.
Shaya izandla. So if you hear youngsters like these ones, people who have a vision already, I think it's okay. He's the last born like Lasin. But uyazi inkulumo yakhe matured. Uyakwazi futhi ukuyistructure kahle without being guided ukuthi kwenzakalani. Leyo nto leyo ayizi ngomagic, iza ngokulalela kuphela nje. Ukuthi uthisha uthini, then you just do that. Yeah, well, so let the it goes a long way because you'll be working with people who are excited. You'll be working with other people that you need to listen to. So when I work, then you can never work with people. Yeah,